Marahay na aga sa Indong Gabos.
Laser.
We are here again. After how many weeks? We are together again.
Before day off. Duty.
We have new member. This one is Laser Brad from Lazada. Ita-try namin. And bago po yung aming anong tawag dito guys? Fishing rod. Yun. Fishing rod. At saka yung braided line namin. Susubukan namin. Pang 12 kilogram daw. As if naman may makuha kaming 12 kilogram.